Well, hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special episode of the Automation Station here with the PeakBot team. Yes, it is our 100th live episode on the Tradier Hub. Here we go. Just a little bit. Very happy about that. Our great partners at Tradier have been kind enough to give us 2 slots during the week, so we're doubling up. But
Well, we've been doing this for a year and a half now.
Yeah, and we've gone through 3 or 4 show names at least, but we like the Automation Station and, of course, our Monday show, Man and Machine. We've got a lot going on for you today. As you can see on the banner across the bottom, 100th episode of the Automation Station, we are giving away 100% off our PeakBot automated subscriptions. So hang tight. We're going to have a promo code that we're going to be putting out there, and you can start putting a hands-free stock trader in your pocket, okay? Additionally, for the 100th episode, PeakBot picks today, of course, and we're going to be shaking things up a little bit. We're going to make things a little bit more intense, which is exactly what the PeakBot team needs today, right? We've had a fun morning, a lot of crazy trading in the market today. You can tell Thomas this guy is done. He's dead inside. But we got a lot of good stuff today. It's okay. Thomas is going to come to life here in a little bit.
Yeah, just give me a quick minute.
Here's why he's going to come to life. We're doing, instead of the 3, what do we do? 5 minutes? No, we do 5 minutes.
Yeah,
instead
5 minutes, we're going to 100.
We're doing 100 seconds. Still need to make 3 picks each, okay? But we're going down to under 2 minutes for our selection. So we got to be quick. And with the market today, who knows what's going to happen? Of course, we're referring to, right at 10 o'clock? Quick drop out there, then some more volatility. So anyway, but
absolutely brutal.
Yeah. So fun for anybody doing condors. Please.
Actually, PeakBot's condors won.
Won today. Yeah.
Yeah, he won.
Very cool. Love it.
Yeah. I'll pull up my screen. We can get this.
Yeah. We also probably have some hands-free trading. Yeah. I have not set my portfolio for the week. I'm just thinking about this now.
We're gonna have some hands-free trading, but while we're waiting for 12 o'clock, I could recap what was going on in my account today. So we can see the 3 condors that I had running on XSP, QQQ, SPY. Winners on all of the above. Fantastic. And then, as we can see, tragedy with Max's strategy today. It was off for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, turned it back on today. Expected move was lower. Felt that the overall volatility was lower. Not much news coming out this morning. But right at entry, SPX fell out. Huge drop. Got in at a 60-cent credit, which is unbelievable. But unfortunately, we had another fallout like a half hour, 45 minutes later, which caused some major slippage on the stop loss. So the stop loss is designed to stop you out when the credit is at, or when the price is at your credit plus $1. And we got some major slippage on that today. My stop loss triggered at $1.60, but I got filled at $3, and that's how it goes sometimes. Luckily I scaled back my positions because of this market environment. I'm not always going to go balls to the wall on my trading strategies, right? I want to take into consideration everything else that's happening in the market, and that's going to help me ultimately be a better trader. So yes, took a hefty loss on Max today. I only one spread, $240 loss. Thomas, I know, was a little bit more painful for you.
Yeah, I was running about seven contracts this morning, which is honestly insignificant. Oh, hands-free, which is truthfully insignificant to the amount of contracts that majority of people were running. So I'm not upset. Losses can happen when you're trading. It's really not that big of a deal.
Losses will happen.
Losses will happen. They can happen and will happen. Just keep in mind, don't trade with anything you can't afford to lose.
Not financial advice.
Yes, not financial advice. Don't trade with any money you can't afford to lose. That's going to be the number one thing. I put money in these accounts, fully knowing that if all of these accounts went to zero, it would not make a difference in my life or my lifestyle moving forward. So just keep that in mind when you do trade.
Great words of non-financial advice from Thomas.
Yes, great words of not. I wouldn't even consider that financial advice. I would.
Well,
say,
we're not even going to.
Yes,
touch
it's
it.
not.
The 10-foot pole.
Yeah, not financial advice. Just remember that.
But you're right.
I would say
I got my condors. In.
Give us our fills.
You guys might have seen us with our hands up when we did that. I had my condors coming in. So XSP filled at 47 cents. I've got some crazy orders here. Qs at 56 cents and then SPY at 51 cents. Now, those are not filled yet. We can see these are open orders at the moment. I probably won't get filled on this just because that price is a little ridiculous. And I think SPX was acting up again for a second when these orders went in. So
Ben, if you don't mind. Oh, I just saw it there. It's there. It's a 0.49, 0.5. I didn't realize that Tradier puts the bid.
Yeah. No, the prices are updating right here. Yeah, so if I did want to get these filled, I would have to manually adjust. The bot is not going to do that for me. But I don't know. I'm kind of thinking after the price action we saw today, going into the weekend, not knowing what's going to happen on Friday to Monday, I might just stick with XSP and let these orders expire. If I get filled at 56 cents, great.
Okay.
You're in 51.
So some good action here. You got any trend spreads rolling? No.
I smart exited my trend spreads. Did not have time this morning to go in and make adjustments, so I will be doing that on Monday morning. I thought I was in more wheel positions, but I guess I forgot to turn that on earlier this week too. So I was wheeling DraftKings and IBIT. I think both of those would have won. And I have one trend spread position left, and that's KWEB. So that'll be closing down shortly. Or honestly, I might even turn the bot off here because we're well above strike. I'm actually going to do that. So I'm going to open up my PeakBot account. I'm going to remove, I'm just going to remove all of these actually, because I got out of Oracle, I got out of Dow, I got out of ON with a profit. So I'm going to remove that. And the reason I'm removing that is because I view my risk on KWeb here as very low to expiring in the money later today. My strike price is at 30.50. Current stock price is at 32.22. So I want this stock price to finish today above 30.50. And I'm pretty confident that's going to happen. So then I'm going to keep my full premium rather than give some back with an order here. So that's my account.
I have some action right now. What we will see here is I just closed out my debit orders for my trend spread trades. Again, I have all of them set to smart exit as well. All right, so had a lot going on this week. A good amount of them already took profit. Okay, we can see I'm still in Bank of America with a winner, still in Wells Fargo with a winner. I just closed out of TLT for profit, as well as Dollar General. However, FCX was a big loser for me. I think I lost, probably lost about $80 on that, maybe a little bit less, but that's okay. I had my Walmart position on the wheel. I actually took it. I took profit manually earlier this week. I didn't want it to, be affected by these crazy markets, so I got out. No iron condors for me. We can see my SPX fills here. I actually filled at 55, got out at the 3. So tough one there, but keep moving. That's trading. So these are my accounts. I'm sticking with Walmart. I'll look at it over the weekend unless there's anything crazy. I'll totally refresh my trend spread. And then I got some other accounts here where I'm just doing nothing but trend spread here, and then same thing here. So that's my account. Thomas, you pretty much were solely SPX, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So that's fun. Why don't we get into some PeakBot picks updates? How do we think? What do we think? Or do we want to do
every single week?
Yeah, all right, Trader Trivia.
You don't want to do Trader Trivia?
Oh, Trader Trivia. Let's do it, man. But we're giving away 3 months free here. We also giving away our coupon code for those who don't get it right. Okay, great.
That's true. So we don't even have to do Trader Trivia today. We're just giving away free quarters here because it's our 100th episode.
How about we do this? Let's do the question. Let's get it out.
Okay.
Feel free to answer. And we're going to send you a free quarter anyway. How about that?
Easy question. What's a dividend? What does a dividend mean? What is it? Is it A, a fee paid by the investor to buy stocks? Is it B, a portion of a company's earnings paid to shareholders? Is it C, a tax on profits made from stock sales? Or is it D, the total value of a company's stock? So normally we would say text your answer in, and if you text it correctly, we're going to send you a link where you can sign up for Peakbot for free for 1 quarter, and that would be for a basic subscription. However, because it's our 100th episode today, we are giving away coupon codes for 100% off for any quarterly subscription. So you can use that on a basic subscription, a standard subscription, or a pro subscription. Leave it to you what subscription level you want to sign up for with your 100% off coupon. So while we're waiting,
go ahead.
What's that?
I'm gonna get the coupon in a banner on screen so everybody knows what they can do.
Get that ready. I messed up the order of the slides here. So while we're waiting for the answer here, I think we might have had this fun fact, or did you know before? But when it came up, when ChatGPT gave me this one, I do like it. So it's the most expensive stock is Berkshire Hathaway, ticker BRK.A, and it trades at over $500,000 per share, which is crazy. But that's because Warren Buffett has refused to split the stock because he only wants to attract serious long-term investors instead of making it affordable for people like you and I to just go out and trade it however we want to trade it.
You know, truthfully, I didn't know that part. The refusing of the split. I mean, it makes sense. Naturally.
Yeah, I mean, that's why the price got so high, because there's only so many shares, and as the value increases, the share price is going to increase. So instead of making it more affordable, he introduced his Class B shares, which trade at a much more affordable price.
Awesome. So I'm going to get the code up on screen here. All right. So code EP100. All right. Gets you 100% off 3 months of Peakbot's automated trading bots. Just go to peakbot.com/pricing. Fellas, this go for all levels. Yeah.
Yeah, all levels.
All levels, okay? Quarterly subscription, 100% off. Go to peakbot.com/pricing. The value here ranges anywhere from our basic subscription, okay, all the way up to Pro. So we're talking $29 a month up to $99 a month. You could be saving nearly $300 here, all right? So take advantage of that. We'll keep the code up on screen here. I'll have it trailing across the bottom. All right. Use code all caps EP100 for 100% off 3 months of Peakbot's automated trading bots. Happy 100th episode to you.
All right. You ready for this answer?
Yeah, let's hit it.
The answer is
B. Oh, I was going to guess. Yeah, I got it. I was right. B.
It is a portion of a company's earnings paid to shareholders. So, I don't know if we want to read that whole explanation there.
Nah,
that's what a dividend is.
To all you dividend traders out there, very effective way of trading. You know, smart way to do it. Not financial advice, but very good fun fact.
We get questions every now and then. Is Peakbot going to make a dividend bot?
Eventually.
Possible.
I'm not going to say no.
Certainly not impossible. All right. Very cool. So again, code's at the bottom of the screen, EP100. All right. So now let's get into Peakbot picks, eh? All right, little music change.
Well, let's see where my win rate's at. Oh, K-Web took profit.
Yeah, looks like I turned my bot off too late. I think I turned my bot off after 12 o'clock.
Can we take profit on Fridays? Or did you have it on Smart Exit then? Oh, is
I
that
had it on
Smart
Smart
Exit?
Exit. I had it on Smart Exit. I switched the status after 12 o'clock, which was too late for the bot. Which is why I got it.
All right. Little Peakbot Picks update. The music's probably too loud.
It is a
I
little
like
too
the
loud.
rock. All right. So this was last week, week 18 of the contest. All right. Not our shining moment, but just a review. Team went 5 for 9. All right. This was contracts running from the 24th to the 31st. Thomas took the W. All right. Nicely done, Thomas. All right. You had the more premium between your two winners here on Pepsi and Procter & Gamble. Win rates. Okay. Again, this isn't, we announced this earlier this week. Thomas is now at 83.3%, 45 out of 54. I'm 2 behind him with 79.86%. And Ben is creeping up, 78%, 39 for 50. All good win rates, all above what we would expect on these plays, okay? So we're happy about that. We also rushed ourselves in 5 minutes. We're going to rush ourselves even more today with 100 seconds, okay? But a quick look at the weekly leaderboard for total wins. Ben's still in first place with 7. Dylan with 6, Thomas with 5. And of course, if you want access to our watch list, which you're going to see live right now, okay, you can get access to that at alerts.peakbot.com. It's $5 a week if you're not fully ready to automate. But right now, with that code, automation's cheaper, okay? So don't be silly. Thomas, you won last week. You can pick your order.
Ooh. Well, aren't we going to check the winners from this past week first?
Yeah, we're gonna do an update.
Oh, we're gonna do that next. Okay. We're gonna give the update. I want to go first because I honestly want to get the cream of the crop. Like I only have a few minutes, or I only have 100 seconds to pick. So I feel like it's smartest for me to go first to win.
And sorry, you're totally right. I forgot about the review, but you
we got to give our reviews first. But I'll go first. Then I want. I need Dylan to go last because he's closest to my win rate. And that means I need Ben to go second.
All right. So let's do a quick check on last week. Ben, you got your chart ready?
I do.
All right. These are picks that were made on the 31st, set to expire today. There's a few hours left. Good luck to us here. Ben, we'll go with you first. You had 2 bulls and a bear. Oracle, ticker ORCL. You were bullish on it, trying to stay above 165. Nicely done. $63 in premium collected. You were bearish. Is this Texas Instruments? TXN. Is that the calculator company?
Yeah, it is.
Under 195. Nice, Ben.
There we go. There
All
we go. 2 for 2.
So we had a call spread on TXN, trying to stay under 195 for $59 in premium. Check. And bullish on Meta over 682.5.
Oh,
Man.
Yeah. Look at that. Crushed it.
Wow.
Hey, in a volatile market with a lot going on, pulling out 3 W's on a trend strategy. Nicely done. All right. Not done yet, though. A couple hours left, but none of them were even really close. So, well done.
Yeah.
Thomas, 3 bears last week after your analysis of the market was bullish. 3 bears selected. A couple non-surprises here. McDonald's, bearish. Under $2.95 for $59 in premium. We're on it.
Wow.
We're right there. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I'm nervous.
Let's see the 5-day.
I mean, I did see like some.
Oh,
earnings. Were we on earnings?
You missed earnings, Thomas?
I did.
I mean, certainly looks like it.
Unfortunate. But you know what? We're going to trickle down after earnings. America's got to realize that they can't be too overweight anymore. So we're going to stop eating at McDonald's just for the rest till 4 o'clock today. And let's just kill McDonald's sales at 4 o'clock today. America, please be skinny.
I have to interrupt you because there's something so poetic here. You know, for the 100th episode, we were coming up with ideas. What do we do? All Thomas wanted to do was eat like 100 McDonald's.
That is not
or
true.
100 French fries. He wanted McDonald's on the show.
I
wanted 100
I wanted Greek food. Ben, don't say 100 McNuggets is my idea.
Thomas said he wanted all of us to eat 100. He actually wanted to race and see who could eat 100 chicken nuggets the fastest.
So dude was bearish on McDonald's and Peakbot Picks and then wanted to go and support him. You know, this guy, can't read him. You think you know a guy. All right. We'll see how that goes. Going the wrong way right now. Bearish on PG. One of your old reliables in this contest. You're trying to stay under 170 for $14 in premium.
That's still close.
Also close.
Ooh.
All right.
I don't like how close I am with all of these.
Digging this. Dollar General, bearish. $75. I feel like I'm going to be shopping at Dollar General after this week. $75 under it. Okay, nice. $42 in premium collected there. But, hey, you are skating on some thin ice there, YT. So we'll see how you round out the day. Let's finish up. So, reminder, Ben was 2 bulls and a bear. Thomas was 3 bears. I was 3 bulls. So we'll see how this goes. I was bullish on Wells Fargo, WFC. Okay, I was trying to stay over 77. I think this is a winner because I'm actually trading it. Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm also trading Bank of America bullish over 44.5 for $11 in premium. I think this is a winner.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is. And then we got DoorDash over 182.5 for $81 in premium. Give it to me. Come on.
Wow. 3 for 3. Wait, did you have more
It's
premium?
still not loaded on my screen. Okay, there it is.
Who had more premium, me or you? Have to be me.
Yeah, well, your meta alone was $385. I didn't collect $385 between the 3 of them. So yeah, right now it's looking good for Ben. Both of us, it's looking good for both Ben and I from a win rate standpoint. Thomas, yikes.
I'm still in it.
All right, you're still in it.
It's
All right.
We just
So
need
picks
America
this
to be a
week.
little bit skinnier.
Right.
I just can't. I've got SPX pulled up on another chart right now. I just can't keep my eyes off of it.
All right, well then let's talk about it.
Yeah,
It's-
let's talk about it. Let's just talk
It's
about
great.
the day, because
Can
I
we-
feel like
can we
this is
pull
what the
up
people
here?
want to see.
Pull it up, Ben.
Can't pull up SPX here. We could pull up SPY.
SPXW should work there, Ben, no?
Will it?
Nope. Okay, sorry. It's all right.
Then yeah, head over to. Just go to TradingView. We can use them.
Proud partners with Trade Here.
Yeah, partners with Trading.
With Trade Here.
We want SIBO. Actually, no, because we don't have real time. Or do we have real time? I don't know. I don't know what I'm logged into right now. I don't even know what's going on. Am I logged in? I'm not even logged in. Screw it. I'm pulling up this chart.
Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Who cares? I mean, look at this. It doesn't seem that crazy, but when you consider the amount of dollars that have changed, like that has changed through these bars, like this 15-minute bar at the close of this 10 o'clock bar here, we dropped from 6,100 down to 60. Even below that, that was a $40 bar.
Yeah.
And if you look at even like the 1 minute chart, and this price action is blowing my mind today.
Crazy.
You can see almost all of that happened in a minute. In just
Yeah.
1 minute, huge fallout. And then like 45 minutes later, okay, maybe an hour later, had another huge drop. And this is when Max's bot stopped out right after this. 'Cause from at this point, at 10 o'clock, we got our entries, but literally immediately after the orders were sent, we just completely fell out. Price just tanked. It was crazy to watch in real time. So we got higher fills than normal. Then we were kind of bouncing around for a little bit and then had another fallout. And now I'm just kind of watching it. And we're slowly declining now. You can see that there's a downtrend forming here, but we're kind of popping back up in this, like, looks like a $15-ish range right now. If we go from like where it looks like we're at this top here down to where we bottomed out several times here, that's like a 15-point range right there. So definitely looking for the next break of that range. It looks like there is some sort of support around the $25 level down here. Tested that twice in the last hour, really in the last half hour. So I'm interested to see if we do break down below that line, like how much further are we going to drop? Are we going to drop down to levels that we were at earlier this week? Unfortunately, giving back a lot of profits, it feels like, but that is the way of the market, isn't it?
It's the new normal, maybe. We'll have to see. You know, certainly wasn't expecting crazy moves like this over the last few years, but we'll see what happens. So, and by the way, you're trading. You understand that these things can happen. We're here as customer support and service to make sure you understand why certain things are happening, why you might be losing, why you might be winning. All right, so we're here for you. Let's hop into PeakBot picks. We'll do it quick, 100 seconds each. Thomas is on the customer support line. You can see it on his face. So you tell us the order.
I'm first.
All right, you're first. Let's get you out of the way. 100 seconds till glory, okay? So get your thing up, Ben. You got a timer?
I can do the timer, yeah.
All right.
Let me share my screen. I almost just hit X on the studio.
You almost logged out, huh?
I almost just logged out.
Hey, quick. Let's just have a quick moment to recognize Thomas. At least Thomas's microphone is fantastic this week. Still looks like you're underwater in some beautiful water, but you know.
I know. I didn't get my Carmelo Anthony jersey up.
You gotta
I didn't have a chance to.
Got to get that up. All right. So for those of you who are not familiar, maybe your first episode of the Automation Station is our 100th. What we're doing here now is PeakBot picks. We take off. We compete against each other in a stock trading competition from our trend spread watch list. These are weekly credit spread trades that we're trying to guess direction on. Okay. We normally pick 3 in 5 minutes. We're picking 3 in 100 seconds today. Okay. So Thomas, I'm ready. We're ready. When you are, you just say the word. And do you have approach? Do you want to even look at SPY or?
I don't even want to look at SPY right now. Do I give my approach? All right, I'll give my approach right now.
100 seconds.
Since we only have 100 seconds, I'll give my approach real quick. My goal is to go for stocks that I know are low volatility. I'm not looking at anything that's like in the 600s. Like I know Johnson & Johnson's pretty low. Walmart's pretty low.
Okay, now you're.
All right, I'm going to start the timer.
Ready? I'll start.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, first one I'm going to look at Kroger right at the top, bullish, sold strike 64, no time to waste here. We're going straight to research, KR.
90 seconds left.
Bullish 64, stock price is at 65. Don't love it. Next one.
These are expiring on Valentine's Day. Keep that in mind.
Ooh, that is true.
Don't know what that means, but maybe.
What did I just say? J&J. What I say was 152 and a half.
Not here to help you.
I don't need your help, Dylan. I have a higher win rate.
1 minute.
152 and a half. Oh, there's a gap to fill there. Don't love it. Next one. How much time is left?
45 seconds.
Oh shit. All right, you know what? Blind ranking. Give me KWeb.
Oh.
KWeb 31 bullish.
30 seconds.
We're going straight core 4. Oh no.
I didn't even get the premium on that.
This is impossible. Beto. No, I can't even do that. No, I'm gonna want that. All right. Give me Exxon,
10
Chevron,
seconds.
and Johnson.
5,
No,
4,
Exxon,
3,
Chevron,
2,
and
1.
All right, so All right, so here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna allow you to report the premiums and the prices now, but your picks are KWeb because you never replaced it, And I had XOM and Chevron, which I think is CVX. So let's go look at them. And those are going to be your picks.
All right.
So I need K-Web. You were bullish. I think the strike was 31.
Yeah, wait. I have Exxon right here.
Okay, give it to me.
So we have bearish below 111.
Okay.
For $27 in premium.
Maybe we should look at these retrospectively. That would be fun. All right, K-Web 31. Tell me what your premium was if the strike was 31, please.
Wait, you got Exxon before I move here?
Yeah, XOM bearish 111.27. Correct.
All right. K-Web bullish 31.14.
14.
And then I said Chevron.
Which is CVX, right?
Yes. Bullish 150, $71. Should I look at these on a chart?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. We could do that quickly. Let's take a quick look.
I'm just going.
How do you feel about it? I'll give you your prices. You're bullish on K-Web over 30. Okay, XOM bearish under 111. You're looking for.
I actually like that a lot.
Okay. Next, CVX. You're trying to be bullish over 150.
It's not even bad. Not my favorite.
K-Web over 31, which I think was a Ben trade. And we saw Ben actually.
I won on that last week.
So you're over 31 here, Thomas.
I don't hate that.
All right. I knew you were going to say that.
I don't hate that.
Who do you want? Who's up? You wanted me to go last. Right?
I need you to go last, Dylan, because I need your win rate to hurt the most. No, but then that gives you more time to come up with a plan. Dylan, you're next. Go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Thomas, you're really throwing a wrench in my strategy here.
Oh.
I had a plan. I had it all planned out.
Well, maybe this is good.
That's what I have to do. Yeah. I have to.
Just a handful of wrenches. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me get things going here.
Get that screen going. And I will get the timer.
100 seconds is great.
And record your picks. And Thomas, you do whatever Thomases do this time of day.
Whatever. All right.
Customer support line.
I'm ready when you are, bro.
All right, 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Going for high pop, okay? And I want high pop, low everything else. Looks like
minute 30 left.
Okay, GLW over 51. GLW over 51. It's at 52.82. Let's look at the technicals, which aren't going to be, that's going to be skewed, I think. Over 51. I like that. Are we bullish? We're coming back down. Support, like it. GLW, bullish, over 51 for $15 in premium. Please. We're going to go bearish under COP under 102. COP under 102. I'm kind of glancing at the core 4 here. This one didn't fit it from buffer, but under 102, we've been bearish for the last month. We're kind of bouncing here a little bit. The last time we were at 102, geez, okay, that was last week, but give it to me. COP under bearish under 102 for $23 in premium. Okay.
25 seconds.
Let's just go for something crazy here. No, I disagree.
Go for an earnings.
I'm going back. I disagree.
15.
Okay. Norwegian Cruise Lines over 26.5. NCLH over 25. Did I say?
I don't remember.
Yep.
Time.
I feel good. That meets the core 4. Give me NCLH bullish over 26.5 for $11 in premium.
11 in premium.
Yep, got me.
I got you.
All right.
Just sent that over. So you guys are low on the premium.
Can I look at mine really quick? Okay, so I had NCLH over 25. Yeah, definitely low on premium. Thomas freaked me out. Thomas is like, oh, win rate. So I went high pop. But anyway, we don't need to look at mine. I feel decent about mine. Stay tuned. All right, Ben.
All right.
I'm going to get an update banner. We're going to get a 100-second timer.
I'm honestly happy I threw a wrench in Ben's strategy here.
You did. You did.
Ben, I am ready. Oh, let me put the code back up. Okay. Episode 100. Use code EP100 at peakbot.com/pricing. Get a free quarter, 3 free months of Peakbot's automated trading subscriptions. Okay. You are saving anywhere from $90 to $300. All right. So, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, even though you didn't even put any money out. All right.
I'm ready.
I'm going to keep it on screen. Minute 40, 100 seconds. Ready, set, go.
All right. So my strategy was going to be just eat up all of the core 4 on here. However, with Dylan doing what Dylan did and Thomas changed the order, I'm going to have to change that around. Give me XPEV, though. High risk, high buffer, which is what we're going to need here. $11 in premium. That's bullish on the 1550 strike. XPEV bullish 1550 strike, $11 in premium.
Got it.
High pop. I want to go with another high pop, low volatility, preferable. Somebody took COP, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Dylan
I did.
Norwegian. Dylan took GLW, I think.
1 minute remaining.
KWeb and semiconductors. Do I want to get into semiconductors? Bearish on semiconductors for the next week. Core 4 criteria 70. Yep, give me SMH bearish. 252.5 strike, $100 in premium. And that should cover me in premium.
35 seconds.
Go for, I need a win here. I need a big win. I'm not even pulling open technical indicators here. I'm just shooting from the hip. Give me GE. Never go wrong with some electric. That's bullish. $200 strike. I actually don't love that anymore.
You have 8 seconds.
Strike.
7 seconds.
I can change it.
Time.
All right. Yeah, I'm sticking with it. GE. That was, you got everything. You got the $55 premium.
No, so it was the $200 strike, 55 premium. Then yes.
Yes.
All right, we're in. Do you want to look at your charts quick? See how you feel.
Yeah, you should, right?
All right, so you had XPEV bullish over 1550.
XPEV bullish. You know, I actually think I remember looking at this last week and thinking it was a bad play.
By the way, M. Ison in the chat here, help me understand how Peakbot works. What we're going to do is I'm going to put it in the chat. You're going to schedule time with our team, okay?
Throw the demo video in the chat.
Yeah, pkbt.app/demo video.
I think high level, Peakbot's an automated trading platform that will place trades on your behalf with well-known and time-tested options trading strategies.
Look at Thomas, man. We've groomed this kid.
All right, so XPEV is looking decent for bullish play. What else did I have?
You had SMH, shake my head, under 252.5.
Oh, I'm doing GE first.
Oh, okay, that was under
strike.
200.
Yeah. I don't like that $200 strike. That was made that decision too quick. 195, I'd like it. 200, not too much.
All right, and then you had SMH under 250, 250, 252.5. Yeah.
I don't hate the technicals, but that's just because we've been bumping
So
here.
bullish. Yeah.
SMH semiconductors
Under 252.5. Oh, look at that Chop City.
I think that's a toss up for next week for sure. That's a real toss up. So you can know that.
Your audio's going out just a bit.
I will not be trading that myself.
Okay. All right. And yeah, by the way, good time to mention, Peakbot and any affiliates members, we are not financial advisors. We're doing this for fun, for entertainment, and we occasionally find some trades that we actually want to take ourselves. But we take our own time to automate our portfolios, make our selections from our watch list without rushing. Got to feel good about what we're doing. All right. So right here in this contest, we're playing with Monopoly money and bragging rights, which are very important. Don't get it twisted. All right.
It's
That's what I'm
internally
looking for.
very important. Yeah.
So Thomas is in this for his reputation. Let's see how he can do. We've all made our picks. We are in. We got a few hours left on the ones we're expiring today. But fellas, what else? Let's get the code back up on screen.
EP 100.
And I have a big surprise for everybody.
What?
Is he only? I have a feeling he's going to get the. I think
If
I
he
know.
has
his-
McDonald's,
I was gonna act like I had 100 chicken nuggets that I was about to have.
Oh.
I don't have anything. Sorry for the letdown, but I did have you guys on your toes there for a second.
Well, you did. You just kind of like. I feel lied to. Well, I wasn't even expecting that.
You were lied
I was
to.
expecting like 100 balloon, like like 100 like balloons or something like
Yeah.
that. But
No.
maybe like a
It's
flag with like
100%.
100.
We hopefully 100% off Peakbot automated subscriptions, allowing you to put a stock trade in your pocket and trade hands free is enough.
And just a quick, are we the second longest show on trade? Do we have the most episodes on the Trade Ear Hub?
I don't know. It's a good question.
I wonder if we do.
Gonna
I don't know
find
if we're
out.
the second longest running. There have been shows running longer than us, but we're twice a week. So
Yeah, so we might have.
And we are. I think we're the most viewed. Okay. Guys, this was a great
the most
show.
fun.
Yeah, for sure the most fun. Best
most
soundtrack. Nobody else
Yeah.
using Into Space back here feeding the ducks. I mean, having fun. All right. So, episode 100. Cheers to us. Cheers to Trade Ear. And here's to 100 more episodes. We love our partners at Trade Ear. They've always been good to us. And tell you what, in weeks like this, when accounts may see losses and drawdowns, just remember, you could be paying hundreds or thousands of dollars, not on your car insurance, but in option commission fees. Okay, we're saving by paying Trade Ear $10 a month for Trade Ear Pro. If you're not doing that, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, don't be paying 65 cents per leg on a condor that you're trading every day at another broker not to be named. Okay, let's get out of here. Look, we could do some SPY analysis, but I think we're cooked.
Yeah,
Okay.
the SPY SPX is cooked. Trump
Yeah.
administration is cooking the market right now.
Yeah,
We're cooked.
all right,
So let's see.
For those of you who thought you had the stomach for some short-term option strategies, maybe treating. We're in a Walmart on the wheel this week. It's gonna get really boring about things here. Okay, long term. We said it in our webinar last night. Slow but steady growth. Expect losses along the way. Why do we love selling options? Getting paid to trade. Thomas, do you hate that or love that getting paid to trade? I mean, it's true.
It's good. We're getting paid to trade, but of course, there's always the chance of stop losses and losses hitting. Just
Sorry,
always
we
think about that.
Yeah. All right, so let's get out of here, guys. We will be live on Monday with Mark Phillips from Harvested Financial. For one last time, for anybody who didn't grab it, at the bottom of the screen, use code EP100. Okay, that'll get you 100% off 3 months of Peakbot's automated trading bots. Go to peakbot.com/pricing. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, we'll see you at the peak. Thank you so much, everybody.
See you later.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.